sir to give the
Before I go for my annual report, I would like to request all the parents and the dignitaries to stand for a minute to pay the homage for the people who lost their lives in the recent bomb blast. I request you, please. Bomb blast. On the dais, respected parents, teachers, media persons, and my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, a fine good evening to one and all. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to welcome the august gathering at the outset. I would like to welcome Dr. S. Karnanidhi, Scientist G, Deputy Director, DRDA. Sir, on behalf of the entire school, students, staff, and management, a hearty welcome to you. Sir, it is an extremely pleasant moment for all of us to have with us on our annual day celebrations. It is great honor that you have bestowed upon us by accepting our invitation and consenting to be our chief guest on this evening. We are very happy to have with us Mr. Kodreddy Garu, ACP. Sir, we feel greatly honored to have you with us on this annual day celebrations despite your busy schedule. A warm welcome to Mrs. Sunita, a famous singer. Ma'am, your presence has added glitters to our show. I would like to welcome Mr. Navadeep, film hero, who is expected to come by 5:30. I feel very pleasure to welcome Mr. Fani Kumar, Gemini artist and movie artist. On behalf of the entire staff and students, I am very delighted to welcome our regional convener, Mrs. Bindu, DCM Mr. U.V. Prasad, Dean Mrs. Rekha, AGM Mr. Madhu, Program in Charge Mr. N.S. Srinivas, and all the principals and vice principals of Narayana Group. I am extremely thankful to all the parents who have extended their cooperation to make the event possible. I particularly note the presence of the parents and the guardians. I wish and pray to God to shower His grace and blessings on us. Coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. That is what we call the teamwork. Bringing this note to you, I would like to take the opportunity to bring this success journey of Narayana Concept School Amirpet branch to your acknowledge. Narayana Concept School was established in the year 2005 with 550 students and 40 staff members. From then, it grew to 1,050 students and 92 staff members with the unquenchable desire and support of the parents and well-wishers. Our branch has 4 segments named eKids, eCharms, Techno and eTechno. Let me take you to the uniqueness of each segment. eKids. Our eKids curriculum is named as Ponder, an amalgamation of the best practice. Our micro schedule is our highlight future. It is parent, student and teacher oriented. To support our students' learning, we give core materials like Hey Sajas, Jerry's Booster Pack, Practicase, etc. Every month there are events and celebrations like splash days where the child is introduced to one color and move to the secondary colors. Our infrastructure design is more of child friendly and brings accountability in the students. Parent participation is our utmost priority. Parents are invited as participants or spectators to witness such occasions. E-Kids Cultural Fest is conducted twice a year, which helps the E-Kids children to exhibit their innate talents. We religiously follow common breakfast and common fruit once in every fortnight named NutriDeal. The concept of NutriDeal has enabled them to develop liking for all kinds of food and fruits. Our monthly exclusive newsletter, Drips and Drops, helps the parents to abreast of the latest trends in the education and also happenings and achievements of the school. With this information, let me transfer you from E-Kids to eCharms. Our eCharms curriculum is on par with international standards. It is student-friendly, activity-oriented approach, continuous and comprehensive approach, penmanship to develop writing approach, envelopes the learning process through MATLAB activities, hones problem solving and analytical abilities through mock sheet and activities, developing higher order thinking skills, abacus to develop mental arithmetic capabilities of the child, projects to inculcate scientific temper and competitive spirit, e-projects to explore the talents, interactive video conferences to build extempore, e-learning modules for interactive demonstrations, grooming talent through eCharms Chronicle. With this information, I want to take you to next two segments named Techno and eTechno. As we all well aware that we are living in the world of competition. A micro level planning for teaching a particular topic is done by identifying its basics and fundamentals of the topic, the concepts to be mastered, the links of topics. Integration of audio-visual teaching with the conventional teaching is an important feature of Narayana teaching system. Lab activities are integrated in the day-to-day teaching schedule. This helps the child to get complete education by practical way of applying concepts. We have well-equipped physics, chemistry, bio, maths, English and computer labs. Our examination system is unique. On every Saturday, a test is conducted on concepts, definitions and formulae in maths, physics and chemistry. On every Monday, a common IC test is conducted for all the students from all the branches. The students' performance in the weekly test is microscopically analyzed. A student at different branches across the nation compete with video conference for all the weekly activities. This gives them exposure and different learning experience. Narayana is not only meant for maths and science, but also for good communication skills. We sincerely note that communication skills play an eminent role in one's career. To develop good communication skills, we installed English Lab and English Club. We initiated point system to develop good communication skills and positive competitive spirit among the students. At the center, I would like to bring various activities conducted in the school. Unity in diversity is unique quality of India. To inculcate patriotic and religious spirit among the students, we celebrated all the national and religious festivals like Independence Day, Children's Day, Republic Day, Christmas, Sankranti, Ramjan, etc. To recollect and honor the great people, we conducted various competitions on their birthdays. For example, on the eve of Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday, we conducted Maths Mania. To develop leadership qualities from the schooling, we celebrated investiture ceremony to install school cabinet. To bring out the sports spirit, a sports meet is organized. All the calendar of events are celebrated according to pre-schedule. I really feel proud to read out a few glimpses of achievement of our branch. Mrs. Ramalakshmi, our Vipal bride, British Council on 16th, 17th, 18th of this month, where more than 25 countries participated. Kumari N. Srujana of Class 6 and N. Apurva of Class 3 participated in Sinkalandra held at Gachibowli Stadium on 25th December 2012. Missy Ramyasri of Class 3 bagged first prize in skating in inter-school competition, regional abacus competitions and in 16th national abacus competitions conducted by Brain Fest. Master Shirish of Class 4 received a championship in state level and zero level abacus competitions conducted by Short Kids. Master Vamsi Krishna of Class 6 C2 bagged a state first rank and abacus 4th level conducted by Alho Abacus. In recently conducted NTSC exam, that is National Talent Search Examination by the Indian government, Master Sarvel got selection for second level. In continuation, Master Sai Suman and Ritika got through even second level NTSC exam and getting scholarship from the Government of India every month. Many of our students bagged gold medals and silver medals in various competitive exams like NSO, NCO, CMO, CFO, IMO, JSO, etc. With this, let me take you to the success of our branch in the previous years. I feel immense pleasure to announce that Kumari D. Megan of Class 10 last year batch secured 10 GPA out of 10 GPA in SSC board exams. Kumari K. Manisha stood state second in SSC board examinations. And she is the topper in IPE with BITC group from Narayana College, SR Nagar. Kumari Nigita Bang stood state topper and got the best rank in MSET and doing her MBBS from Usmania Medical College. In continuation, Kumari Madhuri got state rank from Narayana College, SR Nagar and doing MBBS in Gandhi Medical College. Master Rama Naidu stood state topper and got the best rank in MSET and doing his MBBS from MedCity Medical College in Hyderabad. Master Tajuddin secured 900 rank in IIT in Mumbai. Master Karthik secured 2000 rank in IIT in Kharagpur. Master Sai Krishna secured 306th rank in ISAT. Anirudh was selected for Taekwondo martial arts in national level. Not only that, even he got 110 marks out of 120 in TOEFL and was selected for Kansas University in USA. This is the only a small gist I have brought to your notice. If I go on reading the success of our branch, it takes still half an hour time to read out the annual report. To cut short the annual report, I have taken only a few glimpses of the success of our branch. In conclusion, I want to thank all the parents, dignitaries and the school management who have given this great opportunity to be here in front of you, and I I would like to congrats and thank all my students who secured and who brought the Narayana concept school flavor into the minds of various people. Once again, I would like to congratulate and thank all the parents, and I wish.
Thank you, sir, for letting us know more details of our school and its achievements.